There was a student, David Hayden, who came to me in 2007. And he's a visually impaired student, a double major in computer science and math. And he came to me and he said, Panch, I see that you are engaged in designing devices for individuals who are blind and visually impaired, and I would like to engage with your lab. I also would like to find solutions for my problem of not being able to get access to course material and course content and so on. So he came into the lab, and soon enough, we got him the Fulton Undergraduate Research Initiative, the FURY program funding, so that he could work in the lab along with all the other students in the lab. So he used that investment very wisely and quickly built an interface that will allow him to go to a classroom and with a camera be able to get the content into his tablet PC. And then he also designed the software where the half of the tablet PC would bring in the classroom right here where he could see it very clearly, as well as he built the second half of it where he could write his course notes and link it up with the videos from the class. And now he had a very rich course notes, and his sighted counterparts would come to him at the end of the class and say, oh, can you, David, share these notes with all of us? So here is an individual who, in the real world terms, would be thought of as having an impediment, but instead he overcame the impediment and now is providing an interface that is going to help people who so-called do not have disabilities, right? And so that's the power of what a student's idea, invested in by the investment that Mr. Fulton has made, can do. And this student now submitted his idea to the Microsoft Imagine Cup competition. There were 325,000 entries worldwide in 11 different categories, and in one of the categories he won the world competition. Now, when I met David the very first time, I asked him, so David, what would you like to do with your life? So he said, I would like to go to MIT and do my PhD and become a faculty member. And here he is today, realized the dream. He's at MIT and he's doing very well. And all because of the fact that here is a student who was challenged, but overcame the challenge with his ideas, with his spirit. But then that enabled by an investment like what Mr. Fulton has made, and just, among the many investments, one small investment which is called the Fulton Undergraduate Research Initiative for helping students. And here is a student who has been helped and he has realized his dream. There are many, many FURY students, that Fulton Undergraduate Research Initiative FURY students, who have come to Cubic. There are many of them who have, of course, branched out and worked in so many different labs. So he has been the reason for so many students who have become creative, who have thought about research as something that they would want to do in their career. And this is something that makes us all proud, and we are very grateful to Mr. Fulton for investing in us.
The FURY program gives you funding. It gives a professor funding as well. It gives a lab funding.
The FURY experience and the lab experience is so amazing because it teaches me skills that I can take out into the real world. By using my FURY experience, I was able to get an internship with a research company.
My very last semester as a senior, I was awarded the FURY Travel Grant. So I was accepted to speak orally at a huge international conference. So I was really, really excited to do that. It was an awesome experience to have that opportunity and to be able to start what is essentially turned into my PhD.
Every single time we had a FURY symposium, Ira came. He would shake every single person's hand. And that just shows how much he cares for us.
He's so energetic and he really cares about just ASU and engineering in general. And it's so much fun to get to meet him and talk to him.